to the world of plants. To begin our unit, I want you to listen clearly as I go over the parts of a plant and the functions. You have a blank diagram of a flower in front of you. As I go along, please label each part. Once the podcast is over, you will be able to label the functions with the parts. Plant. Root have root hairs that increase the surface area for more water absorption. Next, you have the stem. The stem has vessels that transport sap and water through the plant. Sap is a nutrient-rich fluid that contains lots of sugar. The leaves. Two functions of the leaves are photosynthesis and transpiration. Photosynthesis is the process when a leaf cells containing chlorophyll take in carbon dioxide and water using sunlight, make sugar and oxygen. Transpiration is the loss of water from the leaf. This helps to draw up water through the plant from the roots. Within the leaf, you have the upper and lower epidermis. Those are the protective layers on the upper and the lower sides of the leaf. Then you have the cuticle. The cuticle is the waxy layer on the upper epidermis to reduce water loss. Next, you have the palisade cell layer, the layer with chloroplasts beneath the upper epidermis. Next, you have the spongy mesophyll layer, the layer beneath the palisade layer containing chloroplasts, which photosynthesis sugars, also contains veins carrying xylems and phloems and many air spaces to exchange the carbon dioxide and oxygen. Next, you have the stoma, pores in the lower epidermis that are surrounded by the bean-shaped guard cells that contain the chloroplast. Now we are going to layer the parts of the flower. The flower is the organ of reproduction in flowering plants. The male part of the flower is the stamen, composed of the anther where the pollen is made and a thin filament. The female part of the flower is the pistil, composed of a stigma, the thin style, and the ovary. Pollination occurs when pollen is transferred from insects or wind from the anther to the stigma. Chemicals, called enzymes, drill a channel down through the style to the ovary where the egg is. Fertilization occurs when the pollen joins with the egg. After this, a seed forms inside the fruit. Germination is the process when a seed grows into a seedling. Now that you know the parts of the plant, I want you to now label the function of each part. Good luck!